Muscle cars with wild factory colors. Bold paint, big power. Today on Vintage Wheels Chronicles, we're diving into three legendary muscle cars that didn't just pack big horsepower. They came from the factory in some of the boldest colors ever sprayed on Detroit steel. Let's take a look at these rolling rainbows of power. 1. 1970 Plymouth Barracuda in violet. The 1970 Plymouth Barracuda is already a muscle car legend, but in violet, also known as Plum Crazy, it became unforgettable. Part of Chrysler's famous high-impact color palette, Plum Crazy was pure visual rebellion. The deep, vibrant purple shimmered in the sun and made sure nobody ignored you at the stoplight. Under the hood, the 70 Cuda could be ordered with engines ranging from the 340 small block to the almighty 426 Hemi. The Hemi version packed 425 horsepower and could dominate the quarter mile in just over 13 seconds. This was a car that combined outrageous style with lethal performance. The aggressive E-body design featured a wide stance, shaker hood scoop, and bold lines. Many buyers paired Plum Crazy with white or black hockey stick stripes for extra flair. The color was so bright that even at night, under streetlights, it seemed to glow. This wasn't just paint, it was personality. Plum Crazy became one of the most iconic Mopar colors ever made. In fact, it was so popular that Dodge and Plymouth have revived it multiple times over the decades. But back in 1970, it was a loud statement that said, "I'm not here to blend in." Collectors today go crazy for original Plum Crazy Cudas, and prices can skyrocket. Inside, you could match the drama with high-back bucket seats, pistol grip shifters, and rally gauges. Whether you ordered the 383, 446 pack, or the Hemi, you got a car that could back up its bold looks with serious muscle. Plymouth offered Plum Crazy across multiple models, but it seemed to fit the Barracuda best. It was the perfect mix of elegance and aggression. The name itself, Plum Crazy, was pure marketing genius. The color turned the Barracuda into a mobile piece of pop art. Driving one meant you owned every inch of the road. It's no wonder this paint has reached legendary status in the muscle car world. If there was ever a car that proved style could match speed, the Plum Crazy Cuda was it. Today, it's an icon for both its performance and its unforgettable factory finish. 2. 1971 Dodge Challenger RT in Top Banana. If Plum Crazy was flashy, Top Banana was downright outrageous. The 1971 Dodge Challenger RT in this blinding yellow hue looked like a bolt of lightning on wheels. Also, part of Chrysler's high-impact lineup, Top Banana was designed to grab attention instantly. In the muscle car wars, Dodge knew that visibility was power. Under the hood, the 71 RT could be ordered with anything from the 340 small block to the monstrous 426 Hemi. With the Hemi, you had 425 horsepower and a quarter-mile time in the low 13s. The Challenger's long hood, short deck, and aggressive stance made it the perfect canvas for a wild color. Top Banana was often paired with black RT stripes and a rear spoiler for extra visual punch. The paint reflected sunlight so brightly it almost hurt your eyes. It wasn't just about looking fast. This car actually delivered. Buyers could choose a 4-speed manual with a pistol grip shifter or a torque flight automatic. Inside, you could have high-back seats, rally gauges, and even wood grain trim for a touch of class. The Challenger RT in Top Banana became a favorite among young drivers who wanted to stand out. It was an instant head-turner at cruise nights and drag strips alike. The color name was cheeky, fitting Dodge's playful marketing style at the time. Production numbers for top Banana RTs were relatively low, making survivors valuable today. The combination of a rare paint code and a big engine package makes them especially desirable. This wasn't just a car. It was a declaration that you were living life in the fast lane. In the early 70s, muscle cars were as much about identity as performance, and Top Banana screamed confidence. The Challenger's design worked perfectly with bright colors, and this one was no exception. It was like wearing a neon suit to a black tie event. You didn't care what anyone thought. Today, a well-restored Top Banana Challenger RT will draw a crowd at any show. It's more than nostalgia. It's a reminder of when cars had personality, as loud as their exhaust notes. For those lucky enough to own one, it's not just transportation. It's pure, rolling sunshine. 3. 1970 AMC AMX in Big Bad Green. While Chrysler had its high-impact palette, AMC fought back with their own wild shades, and Big Bad Green was one of the boldest. The 1970 AMC AMX was already an unusual muscle car, a two-seat performance machine competing against giants. In Big Bad Green, it became unforgettable. This bright, almost fluorescent green turned the AMX into a street predator. Under the hood, the 70 AMX could be equipped with a 360, 390, or 401 V8. The 390 made 360 horsepower, 325 horsepower, while the 401 pushed out even more torque and muscle. Weighing less than most big-block muscle cars, the AMX could rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 6 seconds. The short wheelbase made it agile, perfect for both drag racing and street corner battles. AMC offered Big Bad Green as part of a Big Bad color lineup that also included orange and blue. The name was pure marketing swagger, matching AMC's outsider attitude. The AMX in Big Bad Green often came with black stripes, Magnum 500 wheels, and a Go-Pack performance package. The Go-Pack added goodies like a twin-grip differential and upgraded suspension. On the street, this little green monster was impossible to ignore. Its two-seat layout meant it was more sports car than muscle sedan. Collectors love it today because it's rare, fast, and visually outrageous. In 1970, AMC was the underdog of Detroit, and the AMX was their knockout punch. Big Bad Green perfectly fit the AMX's aggressive personality. Few cars could match its combination of vivid color and raw performance. It's a reminder that AMC wasn't afraid to take risks in both engineering and style. Driving one in Big Bad Green was like saying, "Yeah, I'm different, and faster than you." Today, restored examples shine even brighter than they did when new. The AMX's bold paint options helped it stand out in a crowded muscle car market. And Big Bad Green might just be the most unforgettable of them all. These wild factory colors weren't just paint choices. They were declarations of individuality. The Plum Crazy Cuda, Top Banana Challenger, and Big Bad Green AMX all proved that muscle cars could be loud before they even started their engines. In an era where performance was king, these colors made sure you ruled the road in style. They're rolling pieces of art, reminders of a time when car companies weren't afraid to have fun. And whether you love them or think they're outrageous, one thing's for sure: you'll never forget them.